हौसला वो मंजर भी आएगा। प्यासे के पास समंदर भी आएगा। डर कर ना बैठ वो मंजिल के मुसाफिर, मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मिलने का मजा भी आएगा।
Winning Mr. World is something जो मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं सोचा। इसलिए कहते हैं ना, it always feels impossible unless it is done. For me, this contest was just not about winning. Somehow, Mr. World gave me a confidence that hard work and focus सब कुछ हो सकता है. अब I started believing in myself a lot. I believe if you work hard, then the sky is the limit. For me, style is really important. Mr. World is just not about extreme sports. It's just not about your talent round. It's also about how you carry yourself for different occasions. कौन से occasion में क्या पहनना चाहिए, क्या अच्छा लगता है, morning wear, evening wear. I know I'm coming to this beautiful Falaknuma Palace. For this historical place, I know a bandhla will look good. So I made sure that last night I kept this ready to wear it now. Personality. It's according to me one of the most important qualities for Mr. World. Being yourself, being humble, showing gratitude to people. I think that's the most important thing a Mr. World should do. Mr. World is a selfless soul, a man with a golden heart, and a man who's always ready to learn, because only when he learns is when he will take his people along with him. Mr. World is an ambassador of hope and brotherhood. I think Mr. World was just not a title for me. It was a place where I created a family. Personal interview round. They don't want to listen to your mind. They want to listen to your heart. And they want to see your eyes speaking. That means you need to be yourself. And that is Mr. World for everyone. It's all about attitude. I think in life, it's so important to show gratitude, to love people, because only when you share love is when you get love in return. इसलिए कहते हैं कि अगर दिल से किसी चीज़ को चाहो, तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने में लग जाएगी. So it's very important that you should feel and think from your heart if you want something badly. And that's what I wanted. I wanted to win Mr. World from all my heart and soul.
The winner of Mr. World 2016 is India!
Here at the Mumbai International Airport to welcome Mr. Rohit Khandelwal. He's the first Asian ever to win the title of Mr. World 2016, and we are all so proud of him.
We wish him all the best for his reigning period and wish him all the luck, and may he enjoy this to the best.
He's a great inspiration, a very good friend, and we are so excited to welcome him back to India.
I felt like a superstar after just I reached the airport. I'm so humbled, so privileged to see so many people coming from different parts of our country just to see me, just to meet me. I felt so good at that point of time. For a second, I felt numb. I was thinking to myself, talking to myself, is this really happening? There's a lot of efforts put in behind winning this title, especially from the love and the support that I've got from all the people in my life, my parents.
एक महीना हो गया मुझे अपने फैमिली से नहीं मिलके और ये कंपटीशन के दौरान सबके चेहरे मेरे दिमाग में आ रहे थे, मैं सबके बारे में सोच रहा था.
So I can't wait to just sit in that couch of my house with my parents and just talking about my journey.
Here I introduce you to my family. Mummy is somebody who's made me very organized today. आज जितना भी एथिक्स, जितना भी डिसिप्लिन है वो सब मम्मी से आया.
मिस्टर इंडिया के टाइम पे तो पता ही नहीं था मेरे को. ये कंपटीशन में जीता तब मालूम पड़ा, ये लोग बताए कि मिस्टर इंडिया बन गया तब पता चला. बहुत खुशी हुई जब. इसको ये कि फोकस था कि मेरे को ये बनना ही है, मिस्टर वर्ल्ड बनना ही है. बड़े भाई राहुल का उसका पूरा सपोर्ट था. उसे पूछता हुआ वो सब काम कर लेता था.
My brother, my biggest support in my life.
Initially it was tough, so not everyone was happy with it. The fact that they know that you want to go to Mumbai in a different city, being brought up in a Marwadi family where अगर घर में एग्जाम भी होता है हमारे, we are just expected to sit and study. घर में खाने की प्लेट आएगी और वापस लेकर जाएंगे. कोई हमको we don't have to move, we just sit, expected to study. उस तरह के हाउसहोल्ड से moving all alone to a city like Mumbai, where he don't have any support at all. No one that we knew was here at that time when he came. All by himself, started from ground zero, and that was, I would say, more of anything, it was a concern from our family and from me as well.
Or Papa has made me very strong as a person.
I felt as if I am on the top of the mountain. It was amazing, and there were no words to express my happiness.
Well, abhi I'm associated with Miss World organization. I think I'm very fortunate for that. So I want to work for humanitarian causes, empower education in children. This is the cause which is close to my heart. मैं उसके लिए बहुत कुछ करना चाहता हूँ.
And Muktangan has been really special to me. I have been to this place a couple of times and the kind of vibes that I get is so positive here. And these positive vibes is what I've taken along with me when I went for Mr. World competition. It's a beautiful initiative taken to educate children, and we have the privilege of being educated by our parents, but many children are not. So I think it's very important that we empower and enlighten education.
And one of the great things about Miss World and Beauty with a Purpose and with Mr. World is that you have these organisations in every country of the world. So it gives you the opportunity to take something as fantastic as the work you're doing here and plant the seed for other countries.
I return back here as a winner. I feel so proud, so humble to be at this place.
मिस्टर इंडिया जीतने के बाद मैं हमेशा वॉलंटियरिंग करता था एक्टिविटीज़ को. इनफैक्ट जो मेरी बर्थडे है मैं काफ़ी हद तक मिस्टर ब्लाइंड आश्रम में ऑर्फनेज में सेलिब्रेट करता हूँ. और मिस्टर वर्ल्ड जीतने के बाद ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और भी बढ़ गई है, जिसके लिए मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ.
It's a wonderful opportunity for me to meet our Chief Minister. I think I want to thank him for taking time out. It's been a pleasure to be here at Raj Bhavan and meeting our governor. It was really nice to meet him because somehow we connected in a way. I stay in Hyderabad and our respective governor stays in Karimnagar, which is pretty close to Hyderabad. So there was a lot of things which were in common.
जैसे ही अराइवल से अपने लगेज लेकर बाहर आया, मैंने देखा कि मेरे सारे फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, रिलेटिव्स सब के सब मौजूद थे, सब अपने अपने अलग अलग सिटी से सिर्फ मुझे रिसीव करने के लिए आए, एंड एवरीबडी फीलिंग प्राउड अबाउट मी. इट फेल्ट रियली गुड. इससे ज़्यादा बड़ा अचीवमेंट और क्या हो सकता मेरे लिए. एंड कुछ मोमेंट में मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि मैं क्या कहूँ. मैं बहुत स्पीचलेस हो गया. I saw my दादी there और मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सरप्राइज हो गया क्योंकि right now she is paralyzed and घर से बाहर निकलना उनका मना है, but somehow वो इतना चाहती थी कि वो आके मुझे एयरपोर्ट पे रिसीव किए, and I was very touched by that gesture of her. And the moment I saw my दादी, I literally had tears in my eyes because I'm very connected to her and मेरा सारा बचपन मेरी दादी के साथ बीता है. हम काफ़ी क्लोज एक दूसरे के, so it felt really good.
Rohit, me and Rahul are from same college, Arora's Degree College, because he was very good at choreography, very good at doing events and all the performance, backstage work, front stage work. He was very good at that.
As soon as I reached college, there were some NCC guys, okay, and everybody was standing in the uniform. And the best part is, सबकी college खत्म हो गई थी, but they were still waiting for me. It's such a grand welcome that I had in my college, and I really can't believe. So when I went to meet Principal Sir, I sat in his office.
This is the place where I started my activities when it comes to exploring myself, that I'm interested into acting, modeling, or maybe competing on stage.
There are two qualities that have taken him to where he is today: humility and hard work.
And it felt amazing. I'm standing on my jeep in front of my college, and we had a rally from my college to the auditorium, almost 3 kilometers of rally with all the students. And I just remember every student coming up to me asking me to take a selfie with them with so much of love and so much girls. They were literally asking me for autographs, and that moment is so special for me. As soon as I went to the auditorium, जैसे मैं अंदर आया, उन्होंने एक गाना शुरू कर दिया था. I was very much connecting to the song. मैं इतना खुश हो गया that I just went and I started singing along with them. उसके बाद जो felicitation हुआ था मेरा, I really could not believe. मैं अपने सपने में भी नहीं सोच सकता था कि ऐसा felicitation मेरे लाइफ में कभी होगा मेरा. I've grown in this beautiful city, Hyderabad. I've spent 22 years of my life here. I still remember when I was a kid, I used to stroll around the small lanes of old city. That's the place, that's the part I've grown here. And as a city, it's a very calm place. I have beautiful memories here with my family, with my cousins, with my friends. बहुत खूबसूरत शहर है. The city which is famous for biryani. So we have been eating biryani all of our lives. Well, road to Mr. World. The most important thing for Mr. World is fitness. Well, I was almost 88 kgs when I was working in Dell. And मैं ऐसे फैमिली से बिलोंग करता हूँ जहाँ पर हम बहुत खाते हैं, वो भी जंक फूड.
रोहित इज़ वेरी फूडी पर्सन और स्पेशली वो स्वीट का दीवाना है.
आई रियलाइज कि सब कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा है, बट फिटनेस मेरी ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं आया था अनलेस आई रियलाइज दैट आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर एंड अ मॉडल. एंड तब मुझे पता चला कि हाउ मच इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ फिटनेस फॉर अ मॉडल एंड एक्टर और मे बी फॉर एनी पर्सन इन लाइफ. तब मैंने धीरे धीरे वॉकिंग करना शुरू किया है एंड जिम जाना शुरू किया है एंड इनिशियली मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था क्योंकि मैं जिम तो चला जाता था बट मैं डाइट नहीं कर पाता था। आई यूज्ड टू ईट अ लॉट। फिर मुझे पता चला कि डाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, जिम से ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है डाइट। डाइट एंड वर्कआउट गोज हैंड इन हैंड, सो मेक श्योर कि आपकी डाइट बहुत अच्छी हो। उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको हमेशा बॉइल्ड चीज़ें खानी पड़ेगी। मेक श्योर दैट देयर इज अ बैलेंस ऑफ योर कार्ब्स एंड योर फाइबर एंड ऑल्सो योर फैट।
उसका पूरा दिन प्लान था। आई मीन एवरीथिंग दैट ही डिड इन हिज डेली रूटीन वाज सो प्लान्ड दैट व्हाटएवर ही हैज अचीव्ड टुडे had to happen.
Lot of people join gym, lot of people diet for 3 days. In a month they might be doing it for 10 days, 12 days. It doesn't work out. I think fitness has to become your lifestyle. So when I tell you workout is important, it doesn't mean that आपको रोज जिम जाना चाहिए और 1.5 घंटे वर्कआउट करना चाहिए. Workout can happen anytime, any place. You can work out in your room. You can do squats, you can do push-ups, you can do burpees. So it's all about the state of mind. Now I realize that. And सबसे ज़्यादा important होता है कि you should start loving it. When you start loving fitness, that is when you'll be fit. Physical fitness is really important. And that could be anything, physical activity. Maybe you can play a sport. Maybe you can do basketball. Or maybe you can play table tennis or maybe cricket. It could be anything. मैं Mr. World से आया हूँ. मैं काफ़ी inspiration लेकर आया हूँ. From all these guys that I met at Mr. World, amazing. So much they're fit. They give so much importance to fitness, and I got to know different way of being fit from whatever they do in their country. So I'm trying to adapt that, trying to put that into my life, and today I think I love fitness. I've literally pushed my limits at Mr. World because one of the challenges that we had to run for 5 kilometers on sand dunes and the temperature was almost 18 or 19 degrees. And usse pehle 2 din we had a very hectic schedule. Then we had to go ahead and run almost in sand. So I remember at one point of time my body gave up. I could not jog more at all. As it's very well said, what a mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve it. So even when it comes to fitness, your mind plays an important role. My friends play a very important role in my life and I have shared my beautiful memories with them. And today I have with me, Rohit Roy is here. This guy is very silent, very quiet. He'll be the person who would tell you how we met for the first time.
First time हम दांडिया के टाइम पे मिले है। तो दांडी के टाइम में जब भी मिले हम डांस से शुरू करें और जब से लेके जो भी इवेंट हो रहा हम साथ में डांस करते थे।
Yeah, and he's an amazing dancer, so he's always helped me with dance. And now we have Shakti with us. जब भी मैं हैदराबाद आता हूँ, Shakti stays in Hyderabad. हम हमेशा मेक श्योर करते हैं कि अब थोड़ा डिफरेंट टाइप्स के फोटोज खींचते हैं। हाँ, ब्लैक शर्ट में हो गई, अब ब्लू शर्ट में फोटो खींचते हैं। व्हाइट शर्ट में हो गई, ब्लैक टी शर्ट में खींचते हैं। तो बट वी मेक श्योर कि वी मस्ट हैव डन एटलीस्ट 100 portfolios till now. And then we have along with me Spurti. Spurti might just tell you one of the incident which is really funny.
So we did this one skit which is the Ramdev Baba skit. So he was the Baba and I was his Priya Shishya. तो हम लोग सबके सामने एक्सरसाइज करते थे and from that time he was like all freak, fitness freak. So when we would eat, he was always like, "कितना खाते यार, बस करो." And I was like so fat, and he used to always be behind us, like, you have to lose weight, you have to lose weight. I'm like, okay, please, I like to eat, and you don't like it, but it's okay, let us eat.
ये सुबह 7 बजे उठता था, कभी-कभी मैं 8, 8:30. तो मैं बोलता हूँ भाई तू सुबह क्यों उठ जाता है? तो ये कहता है कि भाई मेरे ना पैर हिलने लग जाते हैं और पैर मुझे कहते हैं उठ साले, नहीं तो मुंबई बहुत मारेगी।
I believe we never lose in our life. Either we win or we learn. And after winning this title, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरी ज़िंदगी की शुरुआत अब हो गई है।